Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about structures in a C program. In the last class, we have discussed about functions, right? In this video, we are going to see structures in a C program. So let's start with the video. A structure in a C language is a collection of data types. If we want to create a large and complex program, with you no need to write the same code multiple times. You can just write a structure and you can declare the student data, and that student data you can use multiple times by just calling the structure name. So let's see how we can use that. It is similar to the functions only. In the last two classes, we have seen the functions, right, in a C program. It is just similar to that, but a slight modification is there. As you all know, this is the documentation section. Hash includes studio.h, and this program is to maintain the student data. For example, let's say I have 10 students in my class. I want to print student data in the output. Okay. Then what all I want to print student first name, last name, serial number and grade for all the 10 students. Then I now need to create multiple code for each and every student. I can just declare the variables first name, last name, student number and grade. These variables I can just declare in a structure, and I can reuse this code multiple times in my program. So this is the structure name, struct student. Student is the name of a structure which I have given. Why? Because this is a program related to students, student data. Struct is the keyword of creating a structure. So struct student, and these are the variables: first name, last name, serial number and grade. Since first name and last name are characters, right? These are not integers. So I have given char. If it is an integer, I would have given int roll number, like that. Since it is a character, I am creating character first name, character last name, character serial number, float GPA, grade. Grade will be in a points, right? 4.5, 3.5, like that. So that's why I'm giving float. So this is the structure declaration. All variables whatever I want in this program, I declared in this structure. Now I no need to write this first name, last name, all these variables again and again. I can just define this structure. That's it. So I'm writing the main function. Inside that main function, I opened the brace of main function and I'm defining the variable. Struct student underscore A means first student. I'm defining the students as student number, student underscore A, student underscore B, student underscore C, like that. Why? Because I have 10 students, right? Just to distinguish each and every student, I'm taking this is the name of a student. And now I need to define the variable. I need to assign a value to the variable. What is the variable I have given? First name, last name, SSN, GPA. These are the variables I have declared. Now I need to assign a value to this student, student underscore A. How I can do that? strcpy, string copy, student underscore A dot first name. What is the value I'm giving? Roshan. This is the first name of a first student. Now strcpy, string copy, student underscore A dot last name. The last name of a first student is Ratnesh. and string copy student underscore a dot serial number. Serial number of my first student is 150014. Like the same way, I'm giving the value to the grade, that is 4.98 to the first student. So I have defined variables. All these variables I have assigned a value to the first name, last name, SSN and GPA. For the first student I have given values. Now I need to print that data. Just to print the data, since it is a simple program, I'm not writing a very long code, so I'm just creating a simple example, the simple code. So I'm printing the data of my first student now. Printf first name string this n slash n means just to break the line. If I don't use this slash n, it will print data side by side. First student data it will print here, just side by side it will print each and every student details. Then it will be clumsy, right? I want to break that line. If I use this slash n, then it will break the line and come to the next line. So that's why, just for the neat output, clear output, I'm using slash n. That's it. So first name I'm printing here. What is the first name? How we can print the first name? For which student I'm printing the first name? Student underscore a dot first name. Then only it will print. If you don't give this student underscore a, then it will not identify for which student it needs to display first name. You need to define, right? So that's why I need to define clearly. Student underscore a dot first name, student underscore a dot SSN, and finally student underscore a dot GPA. Then finally it will print. Output will be first name is Roshan I have given, and last name I have given Ratnesh, and this is the serial number I have given, and this is the GPA. Since I have used slash n, breaks I have used, right? That's why it is printing line by line. If I don't use this slash n, it will print side by side. First name, last name, like this, it will be clumsy. You will not understand the output. So this is the C program. So let me repeat it. Just in 2 minutes I'll repeat it, and then we'll wind up the class. So this is the example for creating a structure of a student. If I want to reuse some set of code multiple times in a big complex program, then I can create a structure by declaring the variables. For printing student data for 10 students, I no need to declare 10 times for each and every student. I can just declare the values just once, and I can reuse the structure just by declaring the structure name. That is the main purpose of creating a structure. Now I'm creating a structure with the name of a structure is student, and these are the variables: character, first name, last name, serial number, and grade. Now I declared main function, and now I'm defining I'm assigning value to that variable. This is the first student details. I'm defining the first student, and string copy strcpy. This is the variable student underscore a dot first name, student underscore a dot last name, student underscore a dot SSN and GPA. And the values I'm defining is Roshan Ratnesh 150014 4.98. Now I need to print the student data of my first student, student underscore A. So I'm printing like this, student underscore A dot first name dot SSN, like this I'm printing. Since I'm using /n, it is printing line by line. So finally the output of this program is, this is the output. So this is the simple program with the help of a structure for writing a C program. So that is what for today. In the next class, we'll come up with a new topic. Thank you for joining. Take care. Bye.